Hey, what's up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review of this wig right here. You guys, I'm obsessed. Look at this. Look at this scalp. So my mom helped me with this. She put powder on it. So realistic. It is a lace front, and you guys, this, I'm just absolutely obsessed. So let me show you guys the back of it, how it looks. You guys, it's super good quality. This is in 24 inches, so you guys can see like how long it is. 24 inches, and it is synthetic, but as I said before in all my videos, you guys can use hot tools, heat, everything like that. All I've done to it since out of the packaging is just brushing it, and I just love how it looks. Like I could do my same hairstyles, high pony, I could do a claw clip, super cute, or just down like I always do. So today I'm reviewing the ANDRIA Hair Products wig. So as you guys can see, there's information if you would like to look up the company, and right out of the packaging I already was obsessed. So this wig is in 24 inches. The color is a dark brown, which would be a 1B, and you guys, it is made super well. So they have the combs at the top, there's two at the top, there's one at the bottom. The lace is amazing. Once we did cut it, it looks so realistic. They do have the adjustable straps on the bottom, so you can adjust it to your head size. And you guys know when I get hair, I need my long hair. It's great. If you guys are interested, go ahead and click the link in the description. Subscribe if you guys want to see more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.